Hi guys! Good morning! Gagawa tayo ng fruit carvings. Gagawin ko ay swan. Ayan na nga, nag-cut ko na yung apple. So, gagawa muna tayo ng liig niya. At lalagyan natin ng mata. Yan lang oh. O diba, ang ganda. Madali lang siyang gawin. At kahit anong design ang gagayahin mo, pwede. Maganda to pag may handaan. Tapos magawa ka ng ganyan pang decorate, ay talaga agaw pansin. Napaka-cute kasi nila, parang may buhay.
Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want, love. Love me with all of your heart. Not at all. Just promise me that you'll give me all your kisses. Every winter, every summer, every fall.
Don't mind our voice, guys. Kahit sentonado, si husband nahawa talaga sa akin. Sumasayaw at kumakanta na in public. Nasa Maymax pala kami that time.